Hello, welcome to part 2 of the video. Next, we're going to make a very easy and quick corsage, even though it's going to be attached to a hat. I don't know of any other name to give it, so I'm just going to call it a corsage. I'm a very particular person about my silk flowers, so what we're going to do is try to find a nice big bright one, which is this one right here. I'm going to take it off. You need to have it cut like really short because it's going to have to fit in here very snugly. So, heard it pop. It's in there. Sticking out a little bit. I felt that right away. So, what I'm going to do is use a smaller piece of foam and cut this shorter because you really want it flush. Whoa. I think this piece is much smaller. It's gonna be more of what we're looking to do. That's perfect. And the magnet will fit right here. That'll be a little bit later. But we're going to put a flower on each end, so I'm going to cut that short, and what I'm going to do is hot glue it because the hot glue will soften up enough for me to add these other flowers. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.